Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I'll be showing you this Singapore 1978 second bird series $1,000 banknotes. Now before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. Alright, now there's a few things you need to take note about this Singapore second bird series $1,000 is that there are actually two types. One is behind is a picture of the ship. The second type is, I believe, is some sort of picture near the Singapore. I believe it had to be a river. I'm sorry, I'm not an expert in Singapore history, do forgive me on that. Now, the one I'll be showing you is this type. So for this type, the size is 197 mm times 90 mm, and the printer is T.D.L.R. Now the other variety is slightly bigger, but either way, for this one, this is the size. And the signature on the banknotes is belong to the Minister for Finance, or Mr. Hon Sui Sen. This one came out around 1978, and there's only a few prefix that are known. One is it starts with A1 and ended with A/2, and there's only one replacement notes, Z/1. Now, I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Alright, let's take a closer look at the notes. Right, this is how the front of the notes look like. Let's take a closer look. Let's turn it around. This is how behind the notes look like. Here's the printer name, T.D.L.R and Company Limited. Now I'm going to pause the video to show you the watermark. Now this is how the lion head watermark look like. When you buy an ungraded $1,000 banknotes, make sure you check for the watermark. It's very hard to counterfeit watermark. If you see this watermark missing, then there's some serious problem with the banknotes. Alright, let's pause the video again. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.